Iya. Jas, jempal.
Kayak apa nggak?
Tahan.
Mana montar kok? Aduh,
1, 2, 3.
cepet banget. Aduh, ini montar.
Tahan. Tuh, pegang di sini. Taruh. Tahan ya. Oke, tahan. 1, 2, 3.
To get started, we need to keep the camera about 5 feet away from me. And the easy way to do that is to set the camera into panorama mode and have my arms stretched out. Now, let's adjust the distance to the point that my fingers just touch the two sides of the frame, and that should be good. Now, let's start panorama shooting in vertical way from bottom to top, and have the white arrow covers my shoes, and click start. I pose first two arms in lower position and move the camera slowly along with the yellow line. And when the white arrow points to my chest, and I'll change to the second gesture. Now, when the white arrow points to my throat, and I'll change to the third gesture, and can finish up the rest of the recording. And click the button to stop recording. Let's see the result. First things first, Let's find out the right distance between the camera and actors